I've been doing art journaling for probably, I can't believe it, 30 years. Whenever I'm mad or sad, usually that's when it happens, I open up my journal and I draw an image of myself as I feel at the moment. Sad, angry, maybe strangled by something. Images come out when I'm art journaling, and it's like it's a place that I can express my frustration, my anger, my sadness through color, through symbol, through imagery. And on the left side of the page, that's where I draw all like the nonsense that's happening. And a lot of times it uncovers what is really bothering me. And then I'm able to get it out, sometimes in a humorous way. I draw a picture of someone who's really annoyed me and it makes me laugh. And then on the right side of the page, I draw how I wish it to be. So you're uncovering and you're manifesting. You are revealing so you can deal. It's like reveal to deal to heal.